There are two types of microbiological testing that we have. One, of course, is a presumptive test. The other is a definitive diagnosis. Under this presumptive test, what the lab personnel is going to do is he is going to figure out the colony of the bacteria or the morphology of the bacteria with the aid of culture and addition of selective media. So you should know what is culture. A culture means you are going to grow the colony of that particular infectious agent. If it is going to be bacteria, we need to know what is the morphological appearance of this particular thing, because only after a culture test we can really confirm. For culturing to take place, microorganisms grow well on certain media. Take for instance, we have this salmonella, which is the cause of typhoid. It can very well grow in a SS media or in an agar media. So when you add this broth or these selective media, what happens? There is formation of new morphological colonies. We can diagnose the presence of those organisms. Next comes is confirmatory or definitive identification, where you can identify the microorganisms to the genus and species level. Of course, we can see the specific strain of this particular virus, whether it is, if we take about this coronavirus, there are so many subtypes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Like that, we have so much of strains in it. So the definitive identification is for identifying the genus and the species level. We are going to identify the generic and species level of the causative infectious organism. So these are all very easy coding. You need to know what they are adding. Is it by immunofluorescence, or is it via just by the addition of antibodies? You can easily arrive at. Here the doctor is going to prescribe a set of tests to ascertain the cause of the infection. What do you mean by a concentration technique? Here they are going to grow the infectious organisms to an expected amount so that they can arrive at a quantitative, they can figure out what exactly is the cause of the infection. So for tuberculosis, if they are going to do a culture, you can report the code like 87118.